You want to play your phone games into your PC? Then you have to install an emulator application on your Windows PC. To download the Bluestacks emulator, open your preferred browser and search Bluestacks emulator on Google.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna.
Download the application and click install it.
And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
After installation is complete,
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Login into Google Play with a Gmail account.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Bluestacks is developed considering what are currently the most popular operating systems in order to reach the largest audience possible. Regardless, Bluestacks is completely safe for use in any system, even it's a Mac or Windows.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
Today, Bluestacks is one of the most recognized tech brands in the industry, and has a team of over 400 people spread across the globe. The app player has evolved to become the top Android gaming platform for PC, trusted by over 500 million gamers in 200 international locations.